Myself is Sumajesh. Today my topic is change. Progress is impossible without a change. One those who cannot change mind cannot change anything. Can you guess whose great words are these? This is a great words from George Bernard Shaw. So dear friends, when you look at when you observe your surroundings since the childhood till date, you could see a tremendous changes over there, right? Because you know that when some things when you used to see, now those things doesn't exist anymore. The reason is that changes is affecting everywhere. When you take an example of the old lifestyle and now we are living in era of new changes, because old things being replaced with a new era of changes. So this is what changes is called, dear friend. So what is that one thing constant in our life? That is change. So what is my topic today is how to change your attitude, why you should change your attitude. Yes, dear friends, when it is necessary for you to change your attitude, is you should change that attitude, because it may be very tough, it may be very difficult when you think about the great change happened in your life, that you are departed from your parents first time, when you feel homesickness, when you are departing your family and you are going to leave your place and going to stay with the people where you don't know their culture and their lifestyle, how do you feel? And if you hesitate to change, yes, definitely you got a lot of tension, right? You have emotions, and it is because you feel very difficult to cope up with new situations, because you hesitate to change yourself. How many of do you feel like this? Everybody almost, right? Almost everybody has a good experience of these kinds of things in life, when we are departing the first time from our parents, our relatives, and we are leaving our home and we are going to live in other country, other place. Is for the first time when we think we are not ready to accept those challenges and changes, right? And gradually we become adaptable with new changes in our life. So this is the way we all are going to change, dear friends. We got change, because all kinds of changes is actually giving a lot of emotions. You have the fear to change yourself, but everything is going to give you a kind of transformations. So dear friends, just imagine what is that one thing you need to kill from you, whether it's any kinds of addiction or any kinds of fear or any kinds of the unnecessary tension or your negative mindset. Which is that one thing you want to kill? Just think about it and change that from you. So you will see that you are going to grow with new hopes in your life, with new potential. So you can unscrew a loads of potential in your life. You can grow if you are ready to adapt new changes in your life. That is what changes brings you new hopes and new expectations. It brings you a smile. When you think about 2 years back, when we used to visit people, we realized that we exchanged a radiant smile comes from their faces, right? Now, what happens? All the radiant smile, vibrant smiles is being replaced by a piece of cloth on face, that is called a mask. So that is the things, the change that we see in our surroundings. So everything is going to change. Nothing is constant in your life, but only thing, you should adapt to those changes wisely, and you should identify that it will be helping you to grow with new hopes and expectations in your life. That is the reason you have to change your attitude of practicing yourself. If you cannot change your mindset, you cannot become successful in your life. So, dear friends, whatever the situations you have, sufferings you have, but you have to believe yourself that a new change will help you if you wisely adopt those changes in your life, so that you see that yourself, you are growing, and you are growing day by day in your life. When you think about your childhood and now, what you see, because before 5 years ago your attitude was different. When you take your attitude today, when you see yourself today, because as age by age you are going to change your attitude, you are going to see new changes in your life. So changes is constant. Be wise to adapt to those changes in your life. Thank you so much.